Today we are going to install the PA220 into the RM-PA-T2 from Rackmount.IT. You will need the Palo Alto Networks appliance with power cord and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch PA220 rack mount kit with front plate, 6 zip ties, 3 bolts, and installation instructions. Place the appliance in the left-hand side of the rack with the connections facing towards the front. Use the 3 supplied bolts to fix the appliance on both sides. The appliance is secure. Next, we are going to install the power supply using the zip ties provided with the rack mount kit. Place 2 of the zip ties through the holes on the rack. Next, you will place the power supply over the zip ties. Tie the excess length of the power cable down with the remaining zip tie. Tighten the zip tie as much as possible. Then tighten the zip ties over the power supply. Make sure to tighten as much as possible. Trim the remaining zip tie. The power supply is secure. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Now we are ready to install the rack and front plate into a server cabinet. Keep in mind the additional front plate is necessary for proper appliance cooling. Adding the front plate also makes the kit to you. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.